I'm Sir Oliver, your online math tutor. Hello mga kaMathmates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit mo na yung post notification bell para updated ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bagong video. Panibagong video, panibagong topic na naman ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon tungkol sa solving problems involving systems of linear equations. What you will learn, use systems of linear equations to solve problems. 2. Check the solutions to the problem by going back to the conditions given. Think critically and divergently. So let's start. So let's have our first example. I have two numbers whose sum is 10 and whose difference is 46. What are the numbers? Again, I have two numbers whose sum is 10 and whose difference is 46. What are the numbers? So first, we need to understand the problem. So what is being asked by the problem? So the given informations are, first, the sum of two numbers, which is 10. Second, the difference of two numbers, which is 46. Then, we let x as the larger number and we let y as the smaller number. Again, x for larger number and y for smaller number. Then for step 2, we need to write the equation. So let's have the first condition. The sum of two numbers is 10. Therefore, the equation is x plus y equals 10, wherein x is the larger number plus y, the smaller number, equals to 10. That is, the sum of two numbers is 10. Second condition, the difference of two numbers is 46. Therefore, the equation of the line is x minus y equals to 46, wherein larger number minus the smaller number equals to 46, since we're talking about the difference. So meaning we need to subtract. Step 3. Now we need to solve the system of equations. Our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 10, and our equation 2 is x minus y equals to 46. So we will be using the elimination method because y and negative y are additive inverses of one another. So we can cancel out variable y. Then, x plus x is 2x, then 10 plus 46 is 56. Then, we need to divide both sides by 2 by applying the multiplication property of equality. 56 divides 2, x equals to 28. Therefore, the larger number is 28. To solve for y, we need to substitute x equals 28 in equation 1. So our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 10. We just substitute the value of x, that is 28 plus y equals to 10. Then get the additive inverse of 28. It will become y equals to 10 minus 28. Then subtract. Y equals negative 18. Therefore, the smaller number is negative 18. The two numbers are 28 and negative 18. So, check your answer for our last step. First, is the sum of 28 and negative 18 is equal to 10. So, equation 1 is x plus y equals to 10. So, 28 minus 18, because that is negative 18, 10 equals to 10, and that is correct. Is the difference of 28 and negative 18 equals 46? that is x minus y equals to 46, that is 28 minus negative 18 equals to 46. So negative times negative is positive. So 28 plus 18 equals to 46. 46 equals to 46. So therefore, our answer is correct. The larger number is 28 while the smaller number is negative 18. So let's have our example 2. A carpenter wants to cut a 16-foot piece of wood into 2 pieces. The longer piece is to be 1 foot longer than twice the shorter piece. Find the length of each piece. Again, a carpenter wants to cut a 16-foot piece of wood into 2 pieces. The longer piece is to be 1 foot longer than twice the shorter piece. Find the length of each piece. So let us understand the problem. So let x be the length of the shorter piece and let y be the length of the longer piece. So let us write the equation. So the length of the shorter piece plus the length of the longer piece is equal to 16 feet. So therefore, the equation is x plus y equals 16 because x is your shorter piece and then your y is your longer piece. So that will be our equation 1. Equation 2. The longer piece is equal to 2 times the shorter piece plus 1 foot. Therefore, y equals to 2x plus 1. Y is the longer piece is equal to 2 times the shorter piece, that is 2x plus 1. So therefore, yun po yung ating system na isosolve. So your equation 1 is x plus y equals to 16. Equation 2 is y equals to 26 plus 1. Then in this case, so we will be using the substitution method because we already have solved y in our equation 2. Kung mapapansin, it is in the slope-intercept form. Meron na agad tayong value ni y which is to 2x plus 1 na pwede nating isubstitute sa equation 1. Again, we can use the substitution method by substituting y equals to 2x plus 1 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 16. You just substitute the value of y which is 2x plus 1. That is x plus 2x plus 1 equals to 16. Then, get the additive inverse of 1. So, it will become negative 1. Ilipat natin sa may right side. Then, combine like terms. X plus 2x is 3x. 16 minus 1 is 15. Then, divide both sides by 3. 15 divides 3 is 5. So, therefore, x equals 5. To solve for y, substitute x equals to 5 in equation 2. Our equation 2 is y equals to 2x plus 1. And then we just substitute x as 5. Y equals to 2 times 5 plus 1. Y equals to 10 plus 1. And then y equals to 11. Therefore, the shorter piece should be 5 feet long and the longer piece should be 11 feet long. Let us check our answer for the last step. First condition is the sum of the length of the 2 pieces equal to 16. So let us use equation 1, x plus y equals to 16. 5 plus 11 equals to 16. So x for our smaller piece which is 5 and then y equals to 11 for our larger piece, that is 5 plus 11, 16 equals to 16. That is correct. For condition 2 is 11 1 more than twice 5. Let us use equation 2, y equals to x plus 1. And then your y is 11 equals to 2. Your x is 5 plus 1. Then 11 equals 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1. Again, we just substitute all the values. Then 11 equals to 11. So therefore, our answer is correct. The smaller piece is 5, and then 5 feet, and then the larger piece is 11 feet. So we're now down to our last example. Example 3. Joy bought 5 pinipig crunches and 1 drumstick and paid 97 pesos. Jeffrey paid 89 pesos for 3 pinipig crunches and 2 drumsticks. How much did each pinipig crunch and each drumstick cost? Again, Joy bought 5 pinipig crunches and 1 drumstick and paid 97 pesos. Jeffrey paid 89 pesos for 3 pinipig crunches and 2 drumsticks. How much did each pinipig crunch and each drumstick cost? So let us understand the problem. Let x be the cost of each pinipig crunch and let y the cost of each drumstick. So let's write the equation. This is for Joy. He bought 5 pinipig crunches plus 1 drumstick, and then she paid 97 pesos. So how are we going to translate that into a mathematical statement? So that is 5x because x is for pinipig crunches plus y because she only bought 1 drumstick, that is y, equals to 97 pesos, the total amount she paid. Again, 5x plus y equals to 97, that is for our equation 1. For Jeffrey, he bought 3 pinipig crunches plus 2 drumsticks with a total of 89 pesos. So therefore, the equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 89. So let us solve the system of equations. So we are going to use elimination method because both equations are in standard. Kung mapapansin, minultiply natin sa negative 2 yung ating first equation because we're trying to eliminate variable y. The additive inverse of positive 2y is negative 2y. So kaya kailangan nating i-multiply yung first equation sa negative 2 para makancel natin yung variable y because the additive inverse of 2y is negative 2y. Okay? So let us multiply each term by negative 2 on our first equation. So it will become negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y equals negative 2 times 97 is negative 194. Again, negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. And negative 2 times 97 is negative 194. Then we just copy the second equation, which is 3x plus 2y equals to 89. We can now eliminate negative 2y and 2y. Then negative 10x plus 3x is negative 7x. And negative 194 plus 89 is negative 105. And then we need to divide both sides by negative 7. Negative divides negative is positive. 105 divides 7 is 15. So therefore, our x is 15. So each pinipig crunch cost 15 pesos. So how about the drumstick? To solve for y, substitute x equals 15 in equation 1, which is 5x plus y equals to 97. So 5, substitute x, which is 15 plus y equals to 97. 5 times 15 is 75 plus y equals to 97. Then get the additive inverse. Lipat sa right side. 97 minus 75. Therefore, our y is 22. Each pinipig crunch cost 15 pesos and each drumstick cost 22 pesos. So we're going to check if it is correct. First question. Do 5 pinipig crunches and 1 drumstick cost 97 pesos? So 5x plus y equals to 97. You just substitute all the values. 5 times 15 is 75 plus 22, 97 equals to 97. How about for Jeffrey? Do 3 pinipig crunches and 2 drumsticks cost 89 pesos? 3x plus 2y equals to 89. Just substitute all the values. Then multiply. 3 times 15 is 45. 2 times 22 is 44. Then you just add. Therefore, 89 equals to 89, meaning to say that our answer is correct. So each pinipig crunch costs 15 pesos while each drumstick costs 22 pesos. And that's all for our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all.